Hello guys, today I am show how to make macOS Ventra, bootable USB using Windows 11, 10, 8, 7. Welcome to YS Studio with new tech tutorial. Firstly, you required macOS Ventra, raw file. 16 to 32 GB USB, or pin drive. Balena Etcher. Mini Tool Partition Wizard. Explorer++ and EFI folder. All required file links, in below description. Double-click Balena Etcher and open it. Select Flash from File and select macOS Ventra, raw file. After select macOS Ventra raw file, you select your target for your pin drive selection, minimum 16 GB or 32 required. After select your pin drive, click on Flash. This process 30 to 50 minutes, so wait for complete. After complete process, open Mini Tool Partition Wizard and configure your EFI partition given letter number. In my case I give Z ladder for EFI partition, you can select your own choice. When you give ladder number EFI show on your computer but not open directly. Then open Explorer++ for access EFI on your computer. Then replace EFI folder with EFI and close it. That's it, your macOS Ventra bootable USB is ready for boot. Before install macOS Ventra, you know all configurations of your computer and laptop about Wi-Fi card, Bluetooth, graphic card, etc. Carefully check everything and install Hackintosh Ventra on your PC and laptop. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.